everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm so excited to be talking about something that's super important to me, smelling amazing all day long. You know that feeling when you step out the door feeling fresh and confident? It's the best. Whether you're heading to college, work, or a special event, staying fresh just gives you that extra boost of confidence and makes a lasting impression. Plus, who doesn't love smelling incredible? So, I've put together this little guide with all my tried and true tips and tricks to help you smell fresh and fabulous all day long. Let's get started. Okay, so let's start with the basics. Daily hygiene. It's the foundation of feeling fresh and confident every day. This might seem obvious, but trust me, it makes a world of difference. When you feel clean, you naturally feel more confident and ready to take on the day. Smelling good starts with a squeaky clean you, and it's easier than you think to keep your body fresh throughout the day. A good shower can set the tone for everything that follows. First things first, shower daily. It's the simplest way to wash away the dirt, sweat, and grime that accumulate. I know. Sometimes it feels like a chore, especially in the mornings when you'd rather stay snuggled up in bed. But think of it as a refreshing start to your day. But trust me, a quick shower can totally transform how you feel. It wakes you up, energizes you, and gets you ready to face whatever comes your way. And when you're choosing a body wash, go for one that's scented or antibacterial. This not only cleanses your skin, but also leaves a pleasant fragrance. This helps to get rid of any sweat and those pesky odor-causing bacteria that can build up throughout the day. Now let's talk exfoliation. It's an often overlooked step, but so beneficial. Exfoliating is like giving your skin a mini spa day. It's a treat for your skin and helps in maintaining its health and glow. It's all about gently removing those dead skin cells that can trap odors and make your fragrance fade faster. Plus, it leaves your skin feeling super smooth. I like to exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week, and it makes a huge difference in how long my perfume lasts. It's a small step with big benefits. Next up, deodorant or antiperspirant. This is a must-have in your daily routine. This is a non-negotiable in my book. It's essential for keeping sweat and body odor at bay. A good deodorant or antiperspirant is your secret weapon against sweat and body odor. It keeps you feeling fresh and confident. Find one that you love the scent of and that works well with your body chemistry. It's all about finding the right match for you. And don't be afraid to reapply throughout the day, especially if you're hitting the gym or it's a hot day. Staying fresh is key. Now you might be thinking, Shambhavi, what about breath? Fresh breath is just as important as a fresh body. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Oral hygiene is crucial. Oral hygiene is just as important as body hygiene when it comes to smelling fresh. Make sure you're brushing your teeth twice a day, flossing regularly, and using mouthwash. Make sure you're brushing your teeth twice a day, flossing regularly, and using mouthwash. These steps help in maintaining a fresh breath. And for a little extra freshness on the go, carry mints or gum in your bag. They're lifesavers for those moments when you need a quick refresh. Here's a little pro tip. Before you spritz on your favorite perfume, moisturize your skin with an unscented body lotion. This helps the fragrance to last longer. This creates a smooth base for the fragrance to cling to, making it last even longer. It's a simple step that makes a big difference in how long your scent stays with you. Okay, so now that we've covered the basics of hygiene, let's talk about fragrance. Specifically, fragrance layering. This technique is a game changer for anyone who loves to smell amazing all day long. This is my absolute favorite way to make my scent last all day long, and it's surprisingly simple. You don't need a ton of products or a complicated routine. Think of fragrance layering like building a beautiful, complex scent wardrobe. Just like you mix and match your clothes to create the perfect outfit, you can layer different scents to create a unique and lasting fragrance. You're not just spraying on one perfume and hoping for the best. You're creating a symphony of scents that work together to keep you smelling incredible for hours. It's like composing a beautiful piece of music. So, how do you do it? Well, it starts in the shower. This is where you lay the groundwork for your scent. Choose a scented body wash that has a fragrance you love. This will be the first layer of your scent and will help to create a base that lasts. This will start laying down the foundation of your scent. The key is to pick a body wash that complements your perfume. After your shower, while your skin is still damp, apply a matching lotion or body butter. This step is crucial because it helps to lock in the scent and keep your skin hydrated. This helps to lock in the scent and create a smooth base for your perfume. Hydrated skin holds onto fragrance much better than dry skin. I'm obsessed with finding body lotions that match my favorite perfumes. It makes such a difference. It's like adding another layer of depth to your fragrance. Now for the star of the show, your perfume. This is where you really get to shine. Instead of spraying it all over, focus on your pulse points. These areas will help to diffuse the fragrance throughout the day. These are areas where your blood vessels are closest to the skin, like your wrists, neck, and behind your ears. The warmth from these spots will help to release the fragrance slowly. The heat from your pulse points will help to diffuse the fragrance throughout the day. This ensures that your scent stays with you for hours. Here's a little extra tip. You can also lightly spritz your clothes and hairbrush with your perfume. This is a great way to make sure your scent lingers even longer. But don't go overboard. A light mist is all you need. Too much can be overwhelming. Fabrics and hair tend to hold on to scent really well, so this will help your fragrance linger even longer. Just a few spritzes can make a big difference. And there you have it, fragrance layering made easy. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure you smell amazing all day. Trust me, once you start layering your fragrances, you'll never go back. It's a game changer for anyone who loves to smell great. Chapter 3. Picking your perfect perfume. Decoding the fragrance world. Okay, so you've got the hygiene down, you're a fragrance layering pro. Now it's time to talk about choosing the right perfume. This is where the magic happens, where you find that one scent that feels like it was made just for you. This can feel a bit overwhelming, especially with so many amazing scents out there. Walking into a perfume store can be like stepping into a world of endless possibilities. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you. We'll navigate this fragrant journey together. First things first, let's talk about fragrance concentrations. Understanding these can help you make a more informed choice. You'll usually see perfumes labeled as eau de parfum (EDP) or eau de toilette (EDT). These labels indicate the strength and longevity of the fragrance. EDPs have a higher concentration of fragrance oils, which means they're more intense and last longer, usually around 6 to 8 hours. Perfect for those long days or special evenings out. EDTs are lighter and fresher, and they typically last for about 4 to 5 hours. They're great for everyday wear, or when you want something more subtle. You might also come across body mists or colognes, which are super refreshing but tend to fade the quickest. These are ideal for a quick refresh during the day, so if you're looking for a scent that will last all day long, an EDP is your best bet. It's like having a reliable companion by your side. But if you prefer something lighter and more subtle, an EDT might be a better choice. It's perfect for those who enjoy a more understated fragrance. Now let's talk about scent profiles. This is where the true personality of a fragrance comes to life. This is where it gets really fun. Exploring different scent profiles can be an exciting adventure. There are so many different fragrance families, from fresh and citrusy to warm and spicy. Each family has its own unique charm and character. The best way to find your signature scent is to experiment and see what you gravitate towards. Don't be afraid to try something new and unexpected. If you're looking for a perfume that will last all day, pay attention to the base notes. These are the foundation of the fragrance. These are the scents that linger the longest, even after the top and middle notes have faded. They're the soul of the perfume. Some of the longest-lasting base notes include musk, sandalwood, and vanilla. These notes add depth and warmth to a fragrance. These scents tend to be warm, sensual, and oh so addictive. They can make you feel cozy and confident. Don't be afraid to ask for samples at department stores or perfume shops so you can try out different scents before committing to a full bottle. It's a great way to explore without the pressure. And remember, fragrance is personal. It's an extension of who you are. What smells amazing on one person might smell completely different on you. Your body chemistry plays a big role in how a fragrance develops. The most important thing is to find a scent that you love and that makes you feel confident and beautiful. Trust your instincts and enjoy the journey of discovering your perfect perfume. And that's it! With these easy tips, you'll be smelling fresh and fabulous all day long. Remember, smelling good is all about feeling good, so find what works for you and rock it with confidence. Let me know in the comments down below what your go-to scent hacks are or what your favorite perfumes are. I'm always on the lookout for new fragrance finds. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more beauty and lifestyle tips. See you in the next video.